Digestion is something that a lot of us have issues with, but I make a digestive drink almost every day, and I do kind of different versions, but this is the one that my clients also really like. So I will tell you about all the ingredients, and we're gonna mix them all together and have it with this little fancy ice cube I've got here to keep it cold. We just got some filtered water in here. A lot of our water is dirty, so we filter it. The problem is when you're taking the bad stuff out, you're taking some of the good minerals out too. And that's why a lot of times we keep drinking water, but feeling like we're dehydrated and we're not really replenishing our organs properly. So here's a good way to help with that. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. Now, the best way to get your electrolytes is to put salt on your tongue and then drink it, but this is also gonna help for sure. So we've got a little bit of salt. And look, I know a lot of people don't like the taste of beets, but they are high in fiber and antioxidants and wonderful for heart health. So if you don't like the taste of beets, but you want the benefits and it makes anything pretty and pink, you can get beetroot powder. It comes in a powder form. You just stick it in your drawer, your fridge, and you can get the benefits of beets without the flavor. So I'm gonna add some beet in there. Chia seeds, amazing for your gut health, but you want to make sure that you soak these for at least 15-20 minutes before you drink it, because they absorb water and they expand. You don't want that to happen in your gut. So the best thing to do is to add chia seeds to some water, let it soak properly, and then you can add it to a drink and consume it. All right, so we have some of our chia seeds here that have been soaked. Lemon juice, you could also do lime if you'd like. And my favorite ever, coconut water. I drink coconut water every day. I love it. It helps make water more exciting for me. It's high in potassium and it's delicious, and I'm just obsessed with it. It makes every drink better. And then we're gonna use a little bit of agave nectar as a sweetener. L-glutamine. Amazing for digestion and maintaining a healthy weight. I take L-glutamine once or twice a day at least. And the good thing is it comes in flavorless powder. So if you don't want to take it in supplement form, you can do it this way. So we're just going to do a scoop of this. Just use a little hand blender, or you can just stir it with a straw. You can add a little bit of your favorite unsweetened seltzer. So this one is black cherry. I love this one. And there you have it, this little digestive drink. It's so good and so good for you. I recommend having this in the morning or after your workout because it really gets things moving and helps you digest better throughout the day and feel better. Enjoy.